In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly set up the X-VPN extension in Google Chrome. To begin, ensure that your Chrome is updated to version 108 or above. You can check your browser version by clicking on About Chrome in Google Settings. Visit the X-VPN official website and locate the Chrome extension section in the Downloads menu. Click on the Get the Extension button. This will redirect you to the X-VPN extension page on the Chrome Web Store. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. A pop-up message will appear asking if you wish to add X-VPN for Chrome. To confirm, click Add Extensions. After installation, click on the puzzle icon on the top right corner of your address bar and then click the X-VPN icon. This will take you to X-VPN's privacy policy. After reading it, click Agree and Continue to advance to the login screen. If you want to use X-VPN for free, just click the back button located in the top left corner. This will bring you directly to the X-VPN app homepage without login or sign up. Click on the Connect button. That's it. X-VPN is now set up. Your Chrome browsing is now private and secure with X-VPN. By default, X-VPN will connect you to the fastest available server. If you need to connect to a specific location or experience more advanced features, we recommend upgrading to a premium account. This premium version grants access to over 8,000 servers and includes advanced features such as kill switch, split tunneling, auto protection, and more, aligning your VPN usage with your internet habits. Visit X-VPN's official website to learn more about the premium features and sign up or subscribe. If you already have a premium account, you can log in to your X-VPN account from the toolbar at the top left corner of the app's homepage, or synchronize your login status directly from the official website. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to contact X-VPN customer support via live chat. Thanks for watching.